How to check if iPhone is unlocked. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check to see if your iPhone or maybe an iPhone that you're thinking about purchasing is unlocked, meaning it's compatible with any cellular carrier that you want to use it on. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to actually check to see if an iPhone is unlocked. All we need to do is first open up the settings on our iPhone. Then in the settings, scroll down a little bit and select General. Once in General, select About. Once you get into About, scroll down all the way. And what we're looking for is a section labeled Carrier Lock. So if it says no SIM restrictions, that's a very good sign that your iPhone is unlocked. If you see something else, then it's probably locked to whatever carrier it says under there. Now, if you wanted a more definitive way to see if an iPhone is locked, all you need to do under physical SIM here, get this IMEI number. And sometimes if you're purchasing an iPhone or something on eBay or from someone, they'll give you that number. And you want to go to the carrier website that you use. So maybe T-Mobile, Verizon, Mint Mobile, something like that. And they'll have a place you can put that number and see if it is compatible and unlocked to be able to use on that service. Now check the description. I will have some links to the big carriers out there. So you can just click that and you'll be able to check your IMEI number to see if your iPhone is unlocked. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.